Securing the number 2 position in the RTD coffee market in less than 2 years after our launch was by no means a proud achievement for Wonder Coffee. But we had to keep our momentum going. From our findings, we have the following issues to consider and address. Awareness levels were still low, particularly within the Malay segment. Sales had plateaued and were still comparatively far from Nescafe. We needed to secure a niche position in their minds and hearts to favor Wonder Coffee over the competition. While Nescafe had clearly defined its position as the morning ritual to start the day right, we dug deeper. Being a morning fix itself didn't guarantee that the rest of the day will be easy. We understood that challenges abound throughout 24 hours. Our energy gets depleted tackling them, and we need that boost to keep us going every now and then. This was where Wonder Coffee would come in to recharge and restart us any time of the day. Considering that our target was specific, we led with a vernacular print campaign in Bahasa Malaysia. However, we reinforced traditional print with bells and whistles to create impact, brand desire, and brand recall. For 5 consecutive days, we incorporated innovative and useful gadgets that alluded to the idea of restart, together with the print jacket wraps. For instance, on day 1, a Wonder Restart Kit with cans of Wonder Coffee and a power bank could be redeemed for free when consumers made their booking via the MyTexi mobile app. So, what were the results from the Restart campaign? Brand awareness recorded a high of 83% among the Malays with increased trials. At My New stores and stands, Wonder Coffee became the #1 RTD coffee, surpassing Nescafe by 13%. While the Wonder Restart Kit delivery via MyTexi achieved close to 1.23 million bookings with 5,000 sets given away.